Happy Easter weekend! Happy Easter Eve! We're going to show you guys a fun and easy way to dye your colorful eggs. And you only need 4 things to do this tutorial with us. All you need are boiled eggs. Don't try to boil them yourself. Have a parent or guardian boil them for you. You're also going to need washable markers and a coffee filter. And then a sprayer with water. So that's 4 things total. So a boiled egg, however many you want to dye, washable markers, coffee filter, and a bottle of water sprayer. And that's it. So follow along with us. Happy Easter! Happy Easter Eve!
So you'll need markers, coffee filter, boiled eggs, and bottled water. So all you have to do is fill up your whole coffee filter with color. So color every part of the coffee filter in whatever color pattern you want. Easy peasy. Once you finish coloring each coffee filter, simply put the boiled egg in the middle and wrap the coffee filter around it. And then spray the coffee filter a few times with water. Don't overdo it with the water. You just want to make sure that the whole coffee filter is wet so that the color can seep through from the coffee filter onto the egg. And that's it. And you'll just set it aside for a little bit, and when it's done, you can open it up to see the color. Okay, we've given our egg a little time to dry. It's gonna still be a little wet when you open it up, but once you open it, you'll see all the beautiful color. Don't wipe it down. Let the rest of it dry, and then you can move on to the rest of them. That's it. And you have your beautifully dyed eggs using only marker, coffee filters, and water. Happy Easter, everyone. Have a great weekend.